mini bike, pulled in the middle, and he's blocking my entrance and turning left where I need to turn left. He does. Him and that guy in the trailer, they go out bike riding. They talk about fucking, you need to keep your fucking people in line and fucking park. And he's like, what? He rides with the guy in his orange bike, him and Mark. Mark's tan bike and his orange bike, and they go out riding. Motherfucker, I need to go! Fucking shit! That was fucking crazy. Oh, that would have been more funny. The guy picking him up. What the fuck? We're just gonna leave him here another week. I had to do a U-E because the cop pulled over somebody in the middle, messed up my turn. And yeah, that was crazy. Okay. Woo! I've been like, officer, you can't pull over him here. Take him somewhere else.